going to be looking at the Makey Makey and using it without any alligator clips or attaching it to anything else. We're just going to be operating the Makey Makey using our fingers. And I have a piano program here open, and when I play the piano just using the keys, I can also operate those same keys using the Makey Makey, of course. I have to hold the earth bar here on the Makey Makey, and then I take my other finger and touch the arrow keys. Pretty amazing. And if your hands are too dry, it's possible you might need to use some hand lotion to make your hands a little moist. So I'm going to do that and rub this into my hands. And the other thing you could do is, instead of using hand lotion is just put your hands in a little bit of water. But this can help with make your hands a little more conductive. There you go. Now let's go on to the next step. So a moment ago, I was just holding the Makey Makey with my hands, holding the earth bar here, and then touching these by myself to operate the piano. Now I'm going to get a friend to hold my hand, and together we'll play the piano. So that's 2 people. I wonder if 3 people will work. 3 people? I wonder how many more can make a human piano chain. Who knows?